Morning guys, we've got Jack in the back there, Andy from Kingfisher Magneteers. We've got a guest coming with us today.
Waitress!
Keep your eyes peeled on our videos because on the 10th of December we've got some really exciting news. We know what they are. So 10th of December is probably be out the week after, a few days after the 10th, but we have got some really exciting news on the 10th of December, so please, we are all excited about it, even Jack is. So, speak to you later.
Morning guys, back out today. I finally made it out. Still a bit bummed up, but yeah, I'm out. Nice location, look at all that locks down there. Looks lovely. But we've got Andy.
Morning campers, we're out again.
We've got Jack, who's just decided to start eating something.
Hi.
Being blinded by the sun.
I'm food dog.
But let's get into it. Here we go guys. First item. There we go. That'll do, some fair weight in that. There we go. Another piece looks like some kind of nut. It's been cut off on the back end. Nice though, isn't it? Yeah guys, Andy's just had a couple of cool finds.
Hello boys and girls, our favourite, nice windlass, got a nice clean up that'll be. A scaffold bar, really, I think that's what it is, tubing. And a nice bit of flat steel with some holes in, so getting some nice little cool finds today. They're weighty anyway, so at least we can weigh them in. Hang on. He's going to tilt it.
You can say hello to the telly. Say hiya. Wave, big wave.
Say like and subscribe.
Say like and subscribe.
Goodbye. There you go guys, that was Ted, probably one of our youngest followers.
Hi guys, down at the lock again, as you can see. Shirts at the top. I'm going to try down the bottom. We do what we normally. Well, I think what Stu normally does is put Andy cam and Stu cam. We're going to see what we can get out today. So first throw and some bits of scrap metal. Stu will be happy because we've got a bottle top. Just some scrap really. Nice metal peg of some sort. Very handy. Bit of metal bar here to put the point on the end. Or a fence post or something. You never know.
Just got this out. And this. This is really heavy to me.
I don't know what the hell this is, but by God, that is weighty.
Just an offender. That is epic, guys.
Just basically some bits of scrap.
And there's after, guys. Just cleaned it up with some water. Looks awesome.
More scrap.
It bubbles. Bubble, 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 bubble. It's got like a spring inside of it.
There you go, guys. We've moved around a bit and see what we can get from here. We got some nice heavy stuff, but it's kind of dried up for a bit, so we've just had a bit of a rest and we thought we'd change it up a bit. Looks like Andy's found something. I'll be back in a sec. Yeah, once again Andy's had a cool find from Hatton, so it'll either be before I say this bit on the video or you're going to be seeing it soon. But yes, nice cool find. Well done, Andy. Jesus Christ, guys. I've just had bits of bar, bolts, bit of scrap metal, square-headed bolt, and this frame. God. There we go, guys. We got a lure. We got little bits. I think that's got some wood going through it. Some nails and bolts, bit of chain. Man. But yeah. Nice pink wibbly wobbly. Some more stuff. Part of a push bike. And just a few bits of plate. Certainly getting some stuff. There we go. Gate in, bit of scrap. Now, I'd love to know what it is. The last time I went out was with Des and Leanne. I got another shoe. This one's got sole. And what looks like some square bar. There we go. Still bits in here. There you go, guys. Nice piece of big flat iron bar and a very weighty, I don't know, hinge off one of the lock gates. There we go. Even help out the fishermen by getting their tackle back. There we go, guys. The mooring pin. Some kind of metal bar. few bolts, a little bit of bracket, and over there Andy's got his new arch for the garden. Sorry guys, I have just been talking to one of the best county players I've played with. I've had the pleasure of knowing Tony Randall. I just noticed him walking along there, called over, and I've just been talking to him, so the bit that I've been away I'll edit out for you. But yeah, it was nice to bump into somebody that I actually know. Neil Harding, I've got something for you. There you go, buddy. And we got the old mixed bits. Square nail. Bit of metal. Bolt. Just a few bits. Maybe the odd leaf. Make like a tree and leaf. There you go, guys. A bit of bar. Oh, splash myself in the face again. Yeah, a bit more scrap. Strangely no coins. Normally when you go out you get the odd coinage, but no, nothing today. Nothing to have any. There we go, another bit of bar. Yes guys, need to keep it tidy. Ding ding! Right. Half a pair of scissors. Bit of metal. Yes. It looks like a mooring pin, but it's got a bottle stuck through it. Oh. And some kind of hooky hook.
Good old thick piece of bar. Solid all the way through. Just got it out.
Stuart has just had the key to the lock I have just found. What? Tell it's really old because it's like covered in rust and silt and everything. Oh. The jumper. That would be absolutely awesome. Can't believe I've just had this.
Hello guys, how to explain this really? I've only gone and done it a bloody again.
I think it's a toy one because it seems to be cast all the way around the sides, not metal, and it's not really got the weight to it. Nice cool find though. And this second.
Thank God for that. And with that, I've got like hair jog. Screws, nails, more screws, and a small metal plate.
There we go. Lots of scrap bits. Don't tell Andy, but I got one of his medieval swords. One of the old lock gates. Sorry guys, I forgot to show you what I had just. Totally the wrong place, aren't we? Because I'm an idiot and I don't know how to use the camera properly, or set up a video, or take multiple angle shots, or use a GoPro, or just use my phone. And I can't afford to do all of this professional stuff, so I don't know. What can we do? The only thing we can do, keep going with what we got. Look, I'll show you. We had this, some kind of door, I think. Interesting day. It's like a little bar, and it's like it's got some kind of thread going through it, so nice bit of scrap weight. This is the killer. Now my bike whilst there's some weight in that. I'm having a break. Oh man, why do I do these things?
Yeah, Jessica's got a cool little find out. We can struggle to get it up here.
Now this is used for folks' giant eyes. I feel so strong lifting this.
Famer, gentleman's just gone down and I recognise you off YouTube. Don't know where he got that from. This, folks, is what we do whenever we've finished an area. As you can see, Stuart's swilled it all down with water, and we sweep everywhere up. We keep it all nice and clean. Sometimes places are cleaner than when we get there, so hey-ho, Stu. That is what we do when we've finished an area. Swill it down and sweep it up. Stu's emptied that up there, now he's going to come down here and try with us.
Wait out for a bit. There you go guys, I think it's some kind of motorbike engine. Oh, because it's got like the groovy bits in there, and I don't know, it could be a water pump, could be anything, but I reckon a small motorbike.
Okay.
Andy's just found this. Now, as we're not too sure about bullets, I'm going to get in touch with someone, find out whether it's one that's got to be handed in or what. There is some markings on the bottom, but I can't really read too much. But yeah, I need to get more information because I don't know whether we've got to hand it in or what. But yeah, another cool find by Andy. I reckon he's done bank jobs in the past, that's why he keeps getting all of these guns and bullets.
Yeah, the River Bank, Canal Bank, that's about all mine look is.
Yeah, right guys, the heavens have opened up and everything's going to start getting soaked, so we're going to start having a tidy up in a minute. What I just wanted to do, show you, there's one full bucket, there's Jack, another bit, Andy's had out. Andy has just had this. It's a bit out of focus, but you can tell what it is. I'm just waiting to find out whether we'll probably go and hand it in at the station on the way home just to make sure. But yeah, that on top of the toy gun he had out earlier. There's another full bucket. That, I think it's off an old motorbike, or it could be a water pump. It's bike frames, wheels, more bike frames. Nice bit there. Yeah, and as you can tell, look, it's just about to start coming down quite heavy, I think. And we've had one of these out, really heavy that is. We wasn't sure what it was, we thought it might have been off one of the lock gates, slides up and down to let the water through, but it's not. We've actually worked out what it is by process of elimination. That's it, it's one of them. And there's one on the other side bolted. So yeah, now we know what they are and what the process is. But yeah, it's just starting to come down a little more heavier. We've got some grinding to do. We've tidied every area as we've done it, just to make sure, you know, that we haven't got to do one big tidy up. So we've kept everywhere nice and clean and tidy. And then we've got more stuff along here. More frames, heavy scrap. Don't know what these are, but we've got two of them. Andy got a windlass. There's the other one. That, some kind of wrecking bar again. And then Andy got this, which we've got to cut up and slot into the trailer. And we've already got another couple of buckets of scrap here. So yeah, we need to get all tidied up and start getting cleaned down the little area where we are. But yeah, real nice place. I was surprised. And we've got 3 or 4 other bits to do along this stretch. And Andy's been recognised. Somebody walked past, oh, I've seen you on a YouTube video. So it's made his day. Plus with the finds that he's had. Jack's been a trooper. Every time he's put his magnet in, he's had something out. So yeah, I'll catch you later when the trailer's full and we're ready to go. You alright guys, this is it. This is the final walk round to show you what we've done. Right. Everywhere's nice and clean and tidy, as you would expect from us. Everything's all been put away, swept down, tidied, all the rubbish was gone. Somebody had dumped some rubbish in there, so had that as well. You saw Andy, and he videoed me when I cleaned all that down earlier on. We was up here magnet fishing and dipping down into there. Everything's gone, just as you expect. Look at that view, isn't that gorgeous? All along here we had a few moments on that side, but yeah, no scrap, nothing. Here's the culprit.
Hello.
And look at that trailer. Hey,
You've earned her money today.
but so that it didn't feel like we'd got a lot out, but once we saw all the buckets were full and we started cutting everything down, and yeah, well, there you go, heavy stuff, and it's all gone. Right, cool finds, but we're not going to show you most of them because some of them were really cool. But yeah, just a few bits left to pack away, and then we're off. So yeah, another good day,
Clean again.
as you'd expect. So yeah, great finds.
Good day. A very good day today, to be fair.
Do have one item that needs to be handed in,
Which will be done tomorrow.
yeah, only because the police station's shut this time of night. But yes, they'll be taken to tomorrow. So I might even do a short video about that, just to prove, you know, that we do actually take these items. And yeah, there we go.
Good day. Very
Another
good day
one.
today.
Done and dusted.
And Jack's done really well.
Yeah, we've got to stop bringing him out.
He's doing
Keep
better
showing
than
us
what we
up.
do half the time.
There's not much point in us having the Beast and the Beast Extreme, and he's getting more out on the 200. It's not good. Not good.
Not good at all.
Right guys, we'll see you soon.
Take care all.
See you later. I've just left the police station after handing the bulletin. I've been in there that long, I thought I was going to get arrested. Yeah, they've just took all the details and given me a slip with a reference number on. Had a good chat with them, and they said anytime that we get anything, just bring it straight in and they'll deal with it. It's on their system that, you know, from time to time we will be popping in. So yeah, there you go, that's our day, and back to normality till next Sunday. Catch you soon. Hello guys, a couple of shout outs to do. Shout out to Liam at work and Macy. Hi guys, yes it's me, that weird guy that you work with, also does YouTube. We got a few thank yous to people that have subscribed recently. Got Alexander Chew, Maddie Grace, Tin Man Magnet Fishing, and then we've got Mr. Grunny Effect, Arving with G, Andy Vargas, Natalie Maribel Castillo Galaz, Robbing Leader, and Getting Round to It. Special mention to my cousin's son Joshua. I said I'd give you a shout out at the end of one of my videos. It was nice to meet you, and hopefully one day you can come out with us and do a bit of magnet fishing, see what it's all about, and yeah, get some nice finds like we do. On that note, we'll see you all by the water. Ta-da.